All right. Now, let's go back to the management, at least try to go back to the management of GSFC. Mr. Nanavaty is with us. Now, Mr. Nanavaty, if you can hear me, sir, Prashant this side, could you tell us what happened to margins which have compressed quite a bit, and what can we expect going forward in FY24, sir?
Yeah, the whole year, of course, was good, but some hiccups in the Q4. So, as you know, the subsidy, P&K subsidy has been lowered based on the lowering of input cost all around. So, but we hope to maintain at least the revenue numbers going forward for FY24. But of course, this was our highest profit for the GSFC's history. So, some pressure on margin is expected going forward.
All right, Mr. Nanavaty, good morning. So you're saying revenues were around 11,300 last year, 11,300 crores. You're saying that it will hold around these levels?
Yeah, we at least hope to hold around this level.
And what about margins? You want to give us a rough number? Last year it was 13%. This year it'll be a little lower, 100 basis points lower, or it'll be around this?
Yeah. Of course, it depends. The subsidies for the Kharif season.
Okay.
Again, government will review from October to March 24. So it depends on that also.
So uncertainty based on the subsidies. I want to ask you about ammonia prices. Now that's come down, and that I think is a key raw material for both your segments, fertilizer as well as industrial. Could you tell us on ammonia itself, how much of it are you sourcing captively? Because you have a large ammonia capacity as well. And how much of it do you buy from third parties? From the third parties, if you're importing some as well?
Yeah. So at our Sikka unit, it is a coastal DAP plant. For that, we source it from third party, that is imports. So its ranges from 1 to 2 lakh tons per year. And at Baroda unit, we have our own ammonia plant based on the natural gas as the feedstock and fuel. So both the prices have come down, natural gas prices as well as ammonia prices. That will certainly help in...
Mr. Nanavaty, if you could tell us, as a company for GSFC, what is the total ammonia requirement?
Total ammonia requirement will be around 6 to 7 lakh metric tons.
6 to 7 lakh metric tons. And out of that, how much are you getting captively?
Most of it is captive. So around 4.5 lakh tons is captive. 4.5. That is around more than 60%, yeah.
And remaining you're importing?
Yeah.
Okay. Mr. Nanavaty, good morning. Can you tell us a little bit about what the Capex plans are for the full year, and what kind of funding, if at all, would you need in order to execute that Capex for FY24 and 25?
Yeah, so from cash outflow point of view, we want to spend around 700 crores this year. Mostly it will be coming from the internal sources. We have a large reserve built over a period of time. But as we have shown it in our investor presentation, we have a Capex plan of around 4,000 crore for Baroda unit that is going on, and under the hedge 4,000 crores will be coming up. So DPR is going on. So on a medium-term basis, we have 8,000 crore plans.
Okay, all right, Mr. Nanavaty, last question, and this is an important one. The caprolactam benzene spreads. It used to be around 1,000, 1,100. It came down to around $750, I think, in the month of April.
Yeah.
What is it currently? I believe there is some recovery. And what is the spread? What kind of a band are you working with?
Yeah, so there is some recovery in this year's, chemicals are moving up a little bit. So we hope that some recovery will be there, and as you rightly said, is around $750, the spread. And we hope to get it to around 900 by, say, FY24 year end.
All right, we will let you go on that note. Thanks a lot for joining in.